There's something that in my character which I wanted to work on, as you know, and I told Victor, I said, Victor, the child that you selected, why don't you bring him over to my house and we can rehearse with him so he can see how I'm performing it, and then he can do that same way as a child. So Victor brought him home, and uh, Victor said, why don't you read the scene for Amir, what we have rehearsed. When I saw him reading the scene and performing it, my jaw dropped. He was so good that in my head, Abhishek, I was thinking I'll tell him that, this is how you should do it, or this is how I'm doing it, and you should try and, do what I'm doing. But the moment I saw him, I realized that it has to be the opposite now. I have to do what he's doing because he's so good that I'm going to just, if I can just get close to that, it'll be great. So that was a great moment for me, when I watched him do the scene. And then I think my most special moment has been when I watched the film for the first time. When the film was finally complete and we saw the film, I really felt that what we had set out to, we've made. So that was a special, very moving and emotional moment for me. I've worked with so many actors, but I can say this really confidently that there are two actors who I've observed. One I've not worked with yet, and one I've worked with, that's Katrina. And these two experiences have just blown my mind about how hard a person can work. The other actor is Mr. Bachchan. I was shooting for Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak. It was very early in my career. My film had not released. And in Film City, I was shooting and I had finished shooting and I was in the makeup room. And there was some shooting happening outside in the corridor. And I could hear the shot being set up and I could hear the actors rehearsing. Actor is the only one actor whose voice was coming again and again. And there was a long piece of dialogue which this actor was repeating. So I heard it once, I heard it twice, I heard it thrice. And it just went on, Abhishek. And this actor rehearsed it for some 50, 60 times. It became so much that I got up and I told my friends who were sitting with me, Nuzat and Zuchi, I said, who's this actor who's rehearsing this so many times, yeah? I had to see. So I opened the door and I looked out and I saw Mr. Bachchan. I got a heart attack. I said, my God, look at him. Just see how he's working. He's the top star of the country and how he's working towards this. So then I sat and I watched him work. And the other person I've seen apply themselves so single-mindedly is Katrina. I was just amazed at the way she's worked on the songs, and I was really taken aback.
Everybody, and telling myself that this is probably the last time that this is going to happen, that the roads are closed down and everybody is hanging on your every word, trying to think what would look best on you and what dialogue suits you the most and how you're looking on that in that frame. Everybody's focus is on you, and I thought that's a great privilege. And for me, that was like my finest moment, that, oh wow, I'm back here playing one of the most loved characters that I've played, at least in my short career. And might be my last, but it was a great moment for me. We are actually starting our first venture, which will come out in February. And this is our way of speaking in your language for the first time. You will see the trailer of this movie with Dhoom. It's called Aha Kalyanam. It stars Nani in it, and it's coming out in February. So watch out for the trailers coming.
आमिर भाई, इस फिल्म रियलिटी शो में आप आएंगे, लेकिन सलमान खान तो कर चुके हैं इसकी पब्लिसिटी, धूम मचा ले करके। आपकी हाइट जो थी
जी,
वो इशारा दे दी थी कि आपकी पब्लिसिटी स्टार्ट हो गई है
जी।
आपने हैदराबाद का इंतखाब,
क्योंकि हमारे फिल्म की प्रमोशंस तो लगभग 1 महीने 1.5 महीने से चल रही है। हम यहाँ ख़ास इसलिए आना चाह रहे थे क्योंकि ये मेरी पहली फिल्म है। आई डोंट नो अभिषेक वेदर यू हैड अ फिल्म डब्ड इन तेलुगु बिफोर दिस। हम तेलुगु में डब कर रहे हैं, तमिल में भी डब हो रही है, तेलुगु में भी डब हो रही है। तो आमतौर पे हम इसका मेरी जो फिल्में यहाँ लगती हैं वो हिंदी में लगती हैं। तो ये फिल्म पहली फिल्म है जो तेलुगु में भी डब हो रही है। तो मुझे बड़ी एक्साइटमेंट है उसके बारे में कि वो लोग जिन्होंने शायद मेरी कोई फिल्म नहीं देखी, वो पहली बार मेरी फिल्म देखेंगे। एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट। मुझे बड़ा इंतज़ार है उनका क्या रिएक्शन रहेगा। जी नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि शो का बहुत ही गहरा असर हुआ है और कई मुद्दे हैं जिन पे फॉलोअप बहुत कमाल का हुआ है। आपको याद होगा हमारा एक टॉपिक था अल्कोहलिज्म। उसमें मैं आपको बताऊं कि दुनिया भर में जो अल्कोहलिक्स एनोनिमस जो संस्था है, वो बड़े बड़े कैंपेन्स करती है लोगों को शामिल करने में, जो लोगों को तकलीफ़ है शराब से, तो उनके सबसे बड़े कैंपेन में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वो लोग 8-10 हज़ार लोगों को बटोर पाए हैं। हमने ये शो किया और हमने शो पे उनके संस्था का नंबर फ्लैश किया था और 4.5 लाख मेंबर्स उनके नए बने। तो वो वर्ल्ड ओवर वो लोग भी, उनकी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वर्ल्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, तो वो भी बहुत ही सरप्राइज हुए कि ये हिंदुस्तान में ऐसा क्या हुआ कि सडनली आपकी मेंबरशिप जो है वो इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ गई है। मिलने गए थे और एक फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट का हम गुजारिश की थी, तो 2 दिन में उन्होंने वो कोर्ट की अनाउंसमेंट कर दी। 6 महीने में वो कोर्ट चालू भी हो गया और 1 साल के अंदर मेरे ख्याल है 30 से ज़्यादा कन्विक्शंस हो चुके हैं। तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। मेरे हिसाब से अभी मैं लंबा और जवाब दे सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास पूरी नॉलेज है क्या क्या हुआ है उसके बाद, लेकिन ये सही प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं होगा उसके बारे में बात कर। लेकिन मैं आपको यकीन दिलाता हूँ कि बहुत गहरा असर हुआ है ज़मीनी स्तर पे हर इशू में। जी हाँ, हम लोग सीज़न 2 शुरू कर रहे हैं और इस वक्त उसकी तैयारी चल रही, रिसर्च चल रही है और बहुत जल्द सीज़न 2 आने वाला। इसका जो श्रेय है वो अम्मी अब्बाजान को जाना चाहिए। उनसे जो मुझे जीन्स मिली हैं वो ये तो पैदाइशी चीज़ होती है, ऊपर वाले की देन होती है, इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है। बल्कि मैं कुछ ख़ास केयरफुल नहीं हूँ और अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी में मैं ख़ास केयरफुल नहीं रहा हूँ, लेकिन एक चीज़ पिछले 5, 6, 7 सालों में मैंने जिस पे ध्यान दिया है वो मेरा डाइट। मैं बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट हूँ अपने डाइट के बारे में आमतौर पे। इस वक्त बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मैं इतना नर्वस और स्ट्रेस्ड हूँ धूम 3 के बारे में।
If there is a big movie experience that one needs, IMAX is the format which allows that. This film is not shot on IMAX because the IMAX camera is a film camera and I've shot the film on a digital camera. But we have, it's going to be the first film because they have a proprietary technology by which they take our film and they make it into the IMAX.
Do we see him playing the anti-hero provided the franchise carries forward? And Mr. Bachchan, to you, is there any chance that you, if there is a scope for you to essay anti-hero, are you game for it?
You know, in whatever my brief little career, I think I've written the maximum number of films for Abhishek. Continue to be very happy to work with him as a hero, as an anti-hero, as an anti-hero, in any capacity that is possible. So if the story is right and we get a thing, we'll be the first and we'll come to Hyderabad and announce it.